This from the Wall Street Journal, the magic number, 29%. 29%. That's the magic number. How much home prices have risen despite a late dip last year, a minor dip, since January 2021. Okay, so mortgage rates have basically tripled and home prices increased by basically 30%, 29%. Now think about it. If you have leveraged these properties, look at the return on investment you've made. It's absolutely in the stratosphere. That's why income property is the most historically proven asset class in world history, especially because you get to delegate the responsibility of debt repayment to those wonderful people, your customers, your tenants. They repay the debt for you. That's why income property is the most historically proven asset class in the entire world. A couple more quick notes on this. California, even California, this bubble market, this cyclical market, a market, my home state, where I spent the vast majority of my life, that I would not recommend investing in. But even California, in the face of home sales being down, see, sales volume is different than sales prices. Sales volume being down by 12% year over year, prices are up by 5% year over year as inventory declines. Housing shortage continues. So remember, sales volume and sales prices are two very different things, sales volume and sales prices. Now, this is also quite interesting and maybe rather surprising to some. Home mortgage applications. Now, this is for purchases and refinances, right? But I mean, nobody's refinancing with these kind of interest rates, and hardly anybody has purchased at these higher interest rates compared to the vast majority of people that are locked in at the very low rates, increasing the wealth gap and really changing the course of history and creating a dramatic housing shortage in the United States. But new home mortgage applications surged by nearly 40% in October. That's according to the MBA, the Mortgage Bankers Association, a 40% increase in mortgage applications. That is phenomenal, because remember, mortgage applications do not take into account the obvious trend that we've talked about before of so many people paying all cash for properties because they're not getting a mortgage. So they're not even in this stat, which means sales volume indicated by the mortgage surge, the mortgage application surge, is one thing, but it does not include the sales volume due to people who are just simply buying with cash. By the way, I want to mention that we have an exciting new insurance product available for income property investors. And this product can actually cover all sorts of tenant damage problems. It could save you $1 zillion. So if you want to know more about this, we have a special guest on our monthly Empowered Investor Pro Zoom meeting coming up. Those are the first Tuesday of every month. So if you are not an Empowered Investor Pro member, you are missing out. This is the no-brainer thing that you must do. Join Empowered Investor Pro. This one thing, just one component of one meeting alone, could be worth many thousands and thousands of dollars to you. So go to empoweredinvestor.com and be sure to join us for our monthly Zoom meetings. Get the software that's included with that, get the social network that's included, and most importantly, all of the great discounts, like discounts for our other events, like our upcoming Empowered Investor Cruise on Celebrity Cruises. That's going to be phenomenal. You get huge discounts. Your membership is basically free, okay? It is the biggest no-brainer ever in real estate investing in this world.